In this video, I'm going to be opening up this very interesting package. Now, it's really small, but what's in it is extremely old and very valuable. So join me in this video as we open up this really interesting piece of Bible history, and of course, enjoy the beauty that it contains. So as I mentioned in the introduction, there's a really interesting medieval manuscript in this folder below. It's a really beautiful piece. I've been really excited to receive it. Now I will likely be selling this one, so if it's not sold by the time this video is released, be sure to check out my website below. It's really interesting items that I put for sale all the time, so you can buy these real, genuine artifacts. These are not fakes. These are true, genuine pieces. Now my address is on the other side, so I'm not going to flip over that side. We'll just show you below here. We've got the little envelope essentially here. They put a little bit of cardboard in there to keep it from bending, but not really sufficient to what I would like. Whenever I package items, I do not package it this thin or flimsy. I try to ensure that the item has almost no impossibility of being bent or damaged during transit. I try to make it as challenging as possible for the postman or whoever is delivering it to be able to damage it on accident or intentionally. But let's get right into it. We'll try and open this up here, be as graceful as possible without damaging the inside. I'm always excited to open these types of items because you get to see what the manuscript looks like in person for the first time, which is always the most enjoyable part for me. So it's still inside another envelope here. Again, this is a smaller Bible manuscript, but is beautiful, at least from what I remember seeing in the listing photos. I ordered this a couple weeks ago, and it's now finally arrived. This looks like it's just some paperwork for it. Oh, actually, no, it looks like it's in there. So yeah, really small manuscript here. So it's a very small, what's known as Parisian Bible. Now, I've had dozens of these in my own collection for quite some time here, but that is the leaf, and man, that is beautiful. Wow. I love seeing these beautiful manuscripts. Now, when I saw this for sale, I really wanted to have it to, of course, somewhat add to my collection here, but I'm going to be selling this one because I need to help support the funds of other collection pieces that I've been adding. So this is a beautiful piece that will be for sale on my website. So again, check that out if you are interested in buying items like this. I've wanted one like this in my collection for quite some time, where the initials themselves have the red and blue within the actual initial. Most of the Parisian Bibles that I've had in my collection, actually all of them, have just a blue or red initial, whereas these have the nice intricacy between the actual initials within it. And then you have the really nice larger illuminated initial there. So a beautiful piece. I'll try and do a long form video on this one due to its unique elements, but for now we'll just keep it simple and short. Again, if I sell it, I'll try and do one where I talk about it in more detail and the history surrounding it. But that is a beautiful piece of history. I'm really happy I was able to acquire this one, and it's in excellent condition. So I'm very pleased with this. An amazing artifact. Of course, if you find this type of content interesting, be sure to subscribe to the channel to check out these types of videos. I do unboxings all the time, but my ultimate goal is to travel the world and show you the real places that items like this were actually produced in. So if you haven't done so, check out my long form videos, especially my video I did on the Basilica of St. John or the House of the Virgin Mary, or different locations such as my one I'm doing for Ephesus and Paul's riot there. Those are on-site locations where I actually filmed in those areas. So be sure to check those out. Watch the full video, subscribe to the channel. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.